about a month, got comfort cause the kid the coldest. I ain't changed, I stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and
You sent it to me? Oh. Right.
You know, this could be a great
What the assignment called me, Tommy?
Hey, y'all, everybody present right now, y'all. You know, Courtney for YouTube. Look at her black ass. Oh, she heard me.
Is it?
Go put your feet back.
What keeps on? Where she go? Move y'all. Girl, y'all, it's a plot, y'all. All the slides gone. They're not presented today. We do the number. They have a fuse.
Yo. This our food truck is called a Flavor Fusion food truck, and we based in New Orleans. It's our introduction.
Our food truck is more of a buffet than just based on one type of food design. We look at a lot of foods that people like and put it all into one menu. This gives people more of an option to enjoy things that they possibly never try.
The products we sell at Flavor Fusion, we sell nachos, hot wings, boneless and boneless, Flavor Fusion fries, burgers, and normal fries.
Target artisan. At this point, try to get everyone and anyone to come and try our food. Location of the food truck.
Our vision and mission statement. At Flavor Fusion, our mission is to make sure all of our customers are satisfied with the service. We also will want to make sure that everyone is happy with the food that they are getting and make sure it is well cooked and not under-seasoned. At all times, we will serve with a pleasing attitude to make sure everyone has a good time and will want to come back because of the amazing attitude there is.
Our vision at our food truck is to become one of the best-selling food trucks out there. We want to be well-known to the point that when people hear about it, they will immediately want to come to our food truck and try out many different things.
Program goals and agenda. Our goals are to become one of the best-selling food trucks there is in the South. To move on to being a food truck and to become a restaurant, to have multiple locations around America.
Our objective for right now is to build our food truck popularity up, to make as much money as possible, and to keep our food truck in running condition.
You finish it?
That's what I'm talking about.
You finished? Financial overview, plates with the 101 pack, $5.12. Grease, paper towels, food, drinks, napkins, plastic forks and spoons, cash register, stove, pots and pans, containers, and a food truck. We didn't fit the prices. Financial overview. Expected daily revenue is $550. Expected weekly revenue is $4,725, and expected annual revenue is $27,000. This is our menu at Flavor Fusion. We have a section of our menu called midday munchies, which would be like snacks and things like that. If you're hungry, you want to grab a snack, you can come to the food truck and get some nachos, which can include a topping of your choice: cheese, chili, tomatoes, salsa, corn, and peppers. And we have a Caesar salad for the people that want to be healthy. We have our entries, which is hamburgers, which can be a shrimp burger, cheeseburger, a chicken sandwich, and a bacon burger. We have hot wings, which come in different flavors of spicy barbecue, hot, lemon pepper, and buffalo. There's a 10-piece wing. It's 10 wings, and the combo will include fries and drink. And we have fusion fries. That's not finished. Beverages. We have our special drink called the Fusion Lemonade, which is blue and yellow lemonade mixed together to make a bright color out of the drink, which is only $5. And we have soft drinks, which is Coke, High C, Sprite, Diet Coke, and water, which is $3. And we have desserts, which is chocolate cake and New York cheesecake.
Marketing overview. At our food truck Flavor Fusion, we want to make sure everyone gets a taste of different kinds of food that they may have never tried before. We serve a lot of different things, different style things such as fusion fries, loaded with steak and many different sauces and meat, loaded burgers, and our own homemade lemonade. Our menus will be on the side of the food truck and on the window where we will serve that.
Marketing products and service. We are on most social medias such as Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. We are located in all of New Orleans due to us trying to find visitor spots.
Operational overview. Things we need to keep our food truck in business. Driver's license, food truck license, and food truck permit. Policies: must have a business license. The location and business hours. We are located in the West Bank of New Orleans and sometimes on the East Bank. We try to get around to everyone just in case they can't come to us. We are located on 7th Street on the West Bank most of the time. We work Monday through Thursday from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Fridays from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. and Saturday and Sunday from 11 p.m. to 9 p.m. Why will our food truck be successful? We put in a lot of effort to make sure everything is in order to keep our customers happy and to make sure they are all well fed. We keep a clean water supply to clean all of our food dishes and utensils that we use to cook. There will be enough food supply to feed everyone that comes to our food truck. Without our amazing customers, we wouldn't get anywhere that we need to be. Having well-cooked food that's packed with flavor is very important so that people don't taste nothing and being bland. And it being bland.
Our strength is our positive attitude and the spices of the food. We always upload our locations and what kind of food we might add for our customers to try.
And what kind of food? This is our service.
The source is used for the truck. We go. We go.
Oh no, I need a food truck.
Huh?
I need a food truck. What's your present ingredient?
Look, wait on it. You have the time. Let me do it right quick. I already got it rolled down. I just never put it inside.
Oh, dang, I'm sorry.
Yeah, the blue one. Boy, answer my question. First. Yes. Okay, then. First, that's what I'm saying. You talk like you were talking. That's what I'm saying. You got it. Yeah, you talk first. Come on, first. Volume 3.
Okay, introduction overview. Our company idea is to bring you the best quality food and use fresh ingredients. Some fries, snacks, and drinks. Our target is middle class. Pepper, tomato season, baby oil, flour, and everything. Everything total is $150. We will have a coupon. Buy one meal, another one 10% off. Another way we would put market our product is on Facebook. And this is the website she gave us all our stuff from. Policies, requirements, fees, restrictions, requirements, and fines and such thereof. Jonesville, the most popular location by Popeyes offers financial for one family and two family dwelling shall be located on the same lot and on a plot of ground as the buildings to be served.
Monday through Friday, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Saturdays, 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. And Sundays, 1 p.m. to 8 p.m.
Our future the company will be successful because we will have the great food and best customer service. And it strengthens our company and our freedom of opening hours and what days we are open and which days we are not.
These are the sites where we got our stuff.
All that's on that phone?
Look at Bryce, bro.
SBA flavor reflames.
SBA Flavor of Flame, and this is how you can contact us. Our Instagram name is Flavor of Flame, and our Facebook is Flavor of Flame Logo.
Our plan
I ain't got my computer. I got you.
high quality food, products, we sell chicken burgers, seafood, target audience, target all people who like old school music, afford it, all.
Our mission-based vision statement. Our mission is to provide high-quality customer service, clean food, and to have nice exteriors so it can attract more customers. Our vision statement is at SBA Flavor of Flame. We are a group of friends who are dedicated to providing good service for all of our customers. We are aiming to serve the best high-quality ingredients. We also strive to become a strong food business in the retail market. Next time you want to eat flavorful food, you should come over to SBA.
Our goals in the shit, short-term goal is that we want our company to pay at least $300 by the end of our first week. Next week, we want to do that basically for us to accomplish this goal, we'll spread word about our food. Check around with it. Our long-term goal is to make at least $5,000 by the time we have been working with our business for a year. We also want to grow the population, so we want to have a high social media account with a lot of followers, and we want to have signed all our cities. Wings, birds, seafood, wings, and chicken. Wings $10. BBQ wings $10. Local wings $8. Spicy wings $10. Wings $9. Fish $10. Shrimp $15. Crawfish $8. Crabs $11. Spicy bird $5. Small bird $8. Medium bird $7. Large bird $5. Sprite $2. Kool-Aid $3. Coke $4. Pepsi $4. Mild $10 $2. Spicy $10 $3. Plain $10 $4. Grilled $10 $6.
This is our financial overview. So our pre-owned food truck equipment is $53,430. Paper plates is $16 for 100. Napkins is $21 for 800 packs. Disposable utensils is $35.82 for 200 sets. Cooking utensils is $100. Food pans is $50. Storage containers is $20 to $30. Cleaning equipment is $20. Paper towels, $2 for 15 rolls. Sponges, $1 each. Aluminum foils, $23 for 500 feet. Huh? Menu boards, $70 to $100.
Financial overview cut daily revenue 200, expected weekly 1,000, 125, annually 8,000.
Our marketing overview. Our marketing strategy is our flavor flame truck is a nice place to stop by and grab a meal in New Orleans. Our flame menu is available via the food truck. Our truck will have our store logo on the front of the truck to attract customers. Marketing products and services. We plan to promote our truck on social media, which is listed below. We also plan to promote our food by giving out coupons.
Legal government issues in New York City or state. Job like food truck permit, food safety certificate. New Orleans, we on 1430 Tulane Avenue, New Orleans. Monday through Thursday, 12 p.m. to 10 p.m. Friday and Saturday, 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Sunday, 11 a.m.
Our food truck will be successful because we will provide good food and good service. Our good service will make our customers want to come back more. Our good food will make our customers want to spread the word about it to make more people come to our food truck. We also will have signs spread around the city to help spread awareness about our food truck. We are also going to have coupons and ads like on billboards. Our strengths are that we provide good customer service and good food.
Food truck now?
It looks nice.
The wheels a little big.
Flavor food express all types of food like french fries,
cookies, caramel customers. Our target audience is targeting all individuals from multiple food receipts, and the location of our food truck is 111 Thomas Road, Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Vision statement and mission. Flavor Food Express is a company that works together so that our customers can be satisfied. We serve our food with fresh, natural ingredients. We work to become a strong company. Our mission statement is our mission at Flavor Food Express is to have high quality service customer service. Company goals and objectives. What's your company short? Our food truck goal is to have a high quality and good views. We will provide good customer service, high quality food options, and get good location.
Yes, ma'am.
Is Scott in the room?
He's with Miss Fernandez.
Oh, okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so this is our. So this is our menu. Okay, so French fries are $3, loaded fries, fried chicken is $3, and regular burger is $3. And the drinks are lemonade is $3, strawberry lemonade is $3. Water is $2.50. High tea is $1.75. Coke is $1.75. Sprite is $1.75. That's for Christmas. And our desserts are funnel cakes is $5. Ice cream is $2.50. Cookies is $2. Caramel popcorn is $3. Brownies is $2.50. And pretzels is $2. Explain your company menu. Include the type of products and services. So napkins are $150. Paper plates $20. Silver plates $39. Forks and spoons $16. Refrigerator $2.40. And ice cream is $50.
This is our marketing overview. At Flavor Food Express, we plan on achieving goals and serving our customers with the needs they want. We want to move to areas that attract people. If a customer comes to Flavor Food Express over 5 times, they will get 10% off. After anything they want off the menu, after 10 visits, you will get free meal.
The government issues in our state, so we need to have a city issued food truck permit, occupational license, State Department of Health and Hospital approved, and a driver license. Policies for customers. Complaints will be approached immediately. Hours of operation are scheduled 12 p.m. to 5 p.m. and close on Sundays. Local pattern for clients. 111 Thomas Road, Baton Rouge, Louisiana.
Our food truck will be successful because we serve food of we have affordable prices, so therefore lots of people should be able to come spend a little cash on just delicious food. We are open Monday through Saturday. Our truck supplies high quality food, therefore everyone in Baton Rouge area will support Mr. Webster too.
Thank you. I do the study for the next couple of weeks.
Alright, 15.
That's supposed to be attached to your food truck.
Maintain that stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid getting older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and